Hi everyone, here we've got an Oppo A15 and let me share with you how to check IMEI and serial number on this device. So actually we've got two different ways to check those unique numbers. The first one is using a secret code and the second is using the settings, and obviously I will show you both. So let's begin with the secret code. Let's enter the dialer because this is the place where we will enter it. Tap on the keypad, of course a misclick. Tap on the keypad and let's enter the code, which is *#06#. And as you can see, by this code we are provided with both IMEI numbers of this device. And as you can see, we do not have the serial number, so let me show you another way to check those numbers. Let's tap on the settings. Here we have to scroll down to actually very bottom and tap on about phone. Here we have to tap on status. And as you can see, here we've got both IMEI numbers for both SIM slots, and here we've got the serial number of this device. So actually that's all. This is how to check IMEI and serial number in your Oppo A15. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.